What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel I back here with another video, and today we are up here at Dream Motorsports. I think from the title of the thumbnail, so y'all already know what I'm getting. But y'all know I gotta have everything, you know, to my liking. And one thing that I definitely wanted to do was put this SRT emblem light line up glowing. I think it'll be smooth instead of it being just red. It glowing up would be a smooth little thing. Also, one thing y'all haven't seen that I didn't ever record, I've actually now got the red Hellcat signs. Small details. Got the one in the back as well. I ain't gonna lie, I got lazy. I just didn't take that off. I got lazy. But also got, you know, like you said, the red Hellcat signs. Match the red calibers, pop out the white, and my name. So I think the red SRT logo will be a perfect little addition to the G1GB Cat. Also, I'm gonna throw Dream stuff down below in the description. They did my underglows on my Infinity. Y'all can see right here, y'all need a one-stop shop up here on Tower Boulevard. Boy Mucho, y'all make sure y'all hit him up for anything, all you need. He can do damn near just about everything. You know, it's so funny, bro. So my family put my new radiator in when I had some issues with it. Took them an hour and 30 to take the bumper off. The aisle fixed my upper frame rail. It took them about 45 minutes to take the bumper off. This man Mucho had my bumper off in 5 minutes. He had my bumper off in 5 minutes, bro. My buddy took out about 1,000 charge of bumper, so this ain't nothing new to him. My homeboy fixed the upper frame rail. It took that nigga 45 minutes to take my bumper off. Took my uncle them an hour and a half to take my bumper off. Took my damn bumper off in 5 minutes.
I could have been a little faster too. I had to fucking do this shit.
Nigga took my bumper off in 5 minutes, bro. All my family and homeboy took them at least an hour, bro.
I done did too damn many.
Nigga probably done took out 1,000 charge of bumpers though, so.
Probably.
Might be more than that, bro. Might be. So we kill switching it? Cause you know I'm gonna post up that bit on. Yeah, kill switch.
Gotta give you a kill switch. Got to hook you up with the kill switch, man.
Man, y'all make sure y'all hit that sub button. Come on, let's go up. I'm sitting here grinding on a video here, and I'm shooting this video at the same time. It don't take long to hit that sub button. It's right there. Only tap it. It's right there. Hit the like button too. Y'all be bullshit. Hit it. Come on. Bro, let me see that. Let me see that logo. Ooh.
Custom made. Just gotta seal the edges. Make sure no water gets in there. Good
okay.
To go. Fully Bluetooth controlled.
Wait, so you put the LED in there?
Yeah, the LED tube we were just testing.
Oh shit! I thought it came like that.
Nah, so the company that we work with, they only make them in white and RGB.
So that's what you were saying. So you put the Flow Series thing. I ain't know that.
There's a few companies that make pre-Flow Series, but they're not the companies that I warranty. So
cool,
if it's a
that
company
makes
I
sense.
warranty, then I can stand by everything. They send me another strip, send me another badge, send me another.
That makes sense, bro. The whole time I thought the damn logo came like that, bro. This nigga putting the Flow Series shit in there, bro. That's hard. That's too hard. God, dog. He just blew my mind with that one. Okay, my bad. I got that in there. Yeah. Boy, working. Oh, sucky, sucky. Sucky, sucky. Sucky, sucky. Oh, like that, hey. Hey. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
All those are different presets, and then you got all the solid colors. If you want to go to the modes, just tap right there.
Yeah, I'm loving this shit, boy. We about out of here. My boy putting the kill switch on, so you know, smart. I can goddamn cut the power from the logo if I need to.
That is yours, my brother.
For surely.
But say before and after.
Before and the good after.
And the good old after.
The good old after, man.
Here you go, brother.
Appreciate that.
Sure.
Well, Jakeem, you can get this bit. I don't need it no more. I don't need it no more, fam. Y'all look at this shit here, boy. Look at my look. Look at this shit, man. My God. That's because it's so heavy, because it's actually metal. It's super heavy. I'm gonna see if my boy can get me back right, put that bit back on, cause boy, that ain't it. Mucho, you see what I'm talking about my look, bro?
Hey man, glow up. The glow up.
Man, you think you can get me right? I don't know, the adhesive on the car. The adhesive came all this bit.
Oh shit, what's that?
I'm saying, they don't tell you, it just popped off, literally. Yes. I put it on though. Literally.
Oh.
I looked and I seen it sitting on my bumper. I'm like, what the fuck?
So I'm gonna tell you what happened here. You did it right. Because the sticky part's on the car. So you did your part right.
And what I'm saying.
The sticky part ain't stick to this. So whoever sent you this.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
I did.
They didn't clean it properly. That's
I did my. So what can we do now, bro?
God dang.
That's what I said. That shit's so ass.
Yeah, cause it's
I ain't gonna. If I stick it back on, it's gonna fall off again. I guarantee you.
Yeah. What we can try to do is clean it with some thinner, cause the thinner will take off most of the shit off the glue.
Cool.
Heat it up and clean this with thinner and.
So I did my part. So
yeah,
I know y'all looking at my shit like
you did your part. It's on. The glue part is on there. Cause if you would have fucked up, then the glue would have never stuck to the car. Been falling off. But
the whole thing would have fell off.
That shit is on there.
So y'all see I did my part. The cat's still on there. Just the little red emblem fell off. So whoever the folk that did the shit from the factory fucked me up. I told y'all this. Get the logo put in the front, out the back end to fall off. God damn. Well, you know, you get a project, you know, shit like that's gonna happen. I don't even get mad about nothing no more. You just do what you gotta do to get it handled and fixed and keep it pushing.
You finna see.
So my boy got the tire sticker shit, you know, the shit we've been using for years for tire sticker. Boy wanna put it on the emblem for
multi-use.
And I do got something at the house. I ain't never think about that.
Yeah, activates this shit. Main thing is, if the shit ain't clean, it ain't gonna stick.
Oh, for sure, I do know that much.
Gotta be real fucking clean. I already cleaned the emblem.
Oh, my boy getting in them holes, but my boy not no version.
That is stupid. So you know how to work the hose.
Oh, that boy know how to work the hose, man.
Oh shit, that was hell.
Activities. The final creation. Now we in the game. We in the game. Finna go and let down all the jack stands.
Coming off the Jackie Honors.
The Jackie on us.
Free my boy Tree.
And they got a nice kill switch in here. Nice smooth kill switch.
Free my dog Tree, man. Oh, yeah.
Then you right here, Clark, didn't you?
Yep. Light, rap, everything. Shit, that, and all his other Hellcats. You know, he had like 5 of them.
Type shit.
We did all of them. So, dog, fuck with that boy.
Well, if y'all need anything, I'm gonna link my boy Mucho stuff down below in the description. Y'all see, doing some smooth work right here. Got me blowing up. Got me in the game, and also he fit my emblem that goddamn fell off just a few minutes ago. Nice and sturdy back here, man. Nice and sturdy.
Shout out my dog Nigel in here, man.
Hey man.
Nigel had to take another trip back to Dream Motorsports, man. You know we had to get him right. Y'all follow, subscribe, like his page, everything, man. Y'all showing some love for real.
My boy Mucho, they got me right in the game with the cat. Now we got my logo lined up, man. Got the logo lined up. Now we in the game. Now we sent all the jack stands. We good to go now, bro.
Let's go.
Y'all need anything. They do it all, wraps, any lights, anything you can think of, they can do it.